In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Python interactively inside the interactive mode. In the previous videos, we have simply written our program code inside a file, in this case the hello_world.py file, and executed it via the console. And this time we do the same, but instead of writing Python and then the name of a file which contains our code, we simply type enter and we enter the interactive mode. You can see we have the current version of Python above here, and this is the place where we write our code. For example, we can write a hello world program as you have just seen in the videos before. Therefore, we write print, and inside these double quotes, we will write hello world, enter, and as you can see here in this line, we don't have this sign, we simply have the message that we wanted to print out. Okay, this is the result of this command above here. Every time you see this sign, you have to write a command. For example, you can say, what is 5 plus 3? This is 8. We can say, what is 8 times 3? Well, it's 24. You can also use variables. Okay, so you assign a variable by using x. For example, this is the name of the variable, then an equal sign, and then you say 5. Okay. This time, if you click enter, you have an assignment, which means there is no output. Okay, so if you want to see what is stored inside the variable x, you simply type x, and then it will be print out. Normally, you would have to use the print function as we did above here, but since this is the interactive mode, to see what value is inside a variable, you simply have to type the name of the variable. Okay, you can calculate values based on this variable. In Python, you can say x times 3, which should be 15. Yes, it is 15. You can assign this result to another variable, for example, called z. Okay, z is x times 3, and as you see here, we don't have an output because this is just an assignment operation. And what if you want to exit this interactive mode? Then you have to call a function that is called exit. And since this is a function, you need a opening brace and a closing brace. And if you type exit and enter, you can see we don't have these signs here anymore, which means we are outside our classic interactive mode in Python. And outside the interactive mode, you can again enter the interactive mode by typing the command python enter, and you are back in interactive mode again. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.